Good afternoon. My name is Alonzo Ayers, and today I'll be showing you my TicTacToe project and my Lights Out project. So going into my TicTacToe project, it's pretty simple. I didn't do too much. When you click the buttons, you get the different player pieces. It always starts with checkmark. As you can see, there we go. Uh, player 1, 1. I put it at the end of the log because I didn't really like player 1 top row win. I'd rather know which row won first than who won. There's nothing really special anywhere in here, but if we go into the Visual Studio script, I want to showcase uh, the win function because I felt I did really good on it. It's pretty simple from what they showed us, but I still like it. So I spaced it out with 1, 2, and I basically went all the way down with numbers so that I knew which one I was on. I did it by copy and pasting this each time and then filling in the appropriate data. It took about 15 minutes. Um, it works by finding the array and then determining which piece is on it. So say you got 3 check marks in a row, this would be the one, as you can see, and then 2 would be player 2, which would be the prohibited. So nothing much, but I liked it. I also have draw down here, which checks the turn counter is set to 9 and checks the player 1. And then just debugs that log. So now we're going to go on to Lights Out and onwards to Lights Out. Sorry about that. I had a previous recording that fell through. So when you press play, if you go look over in the grid array, you can see one of the problems is it doesn't show up in the actual game board. So the way to fix that, the way I fixed it was to press R. I tried multiple things and nothing really worked very well. And we're just going to play a little bit. If you look down here at turn counter, I'll move it up right here. If you press R, that also resets, which I will show later in the code. So now I'm going to try to play the game and I'll come back when I want. Okay, I'm back. I needed to restart once, but I should be good to go. Now I just got to find my way down here. Let's see. Sometimes I don't get this exactly right. There we go. And as you can see, it shows the win function. You won. Okay. I thought I had my code open. And I quickly just wanted to show my restart function as my code highlight. So on start, randomized level is called. I put it into a function because I felt that would be easier since I'm referencing it 2 different ways. This all used to be in start. I call it debug log so that you can see in the console what's happening. You can see that it does randomize. That's how I reset the turn counter to 0, so every time you press restart, it turns it to 0. Obviously, it won't do nothing at the start of the game. Down here, you can quickly check the win function. It's not much. And then update. There's how I get the key code, and I put it with another debug log just to make sure that everything's working when you press it, and it calls that same function. I put it into update so that it'll call every single time, so it'll always be detected. But that's about it. I am very proud of that code. It's simple, but it's mine. So thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and goodbye.